It was her and the boy shortly after he was born. She says she found out he had eczema at 2 months old.
I recently did a video about the 9-year-old who was being bleached by his mom, allegedly. However, today I stumbled upon this video, which is the alleged mom of the same child, who is debunking these claims, stating that the child had eczema, and that is the reason for the skin, the complexion change because of the chemicals she has been using to treat the eczema. The child had eczema from early stages in his life. And as such, I want to apologize for my earlier video, making allegations basically stating that the mom was bleaching her child. This was based on the reports I saw, but again, apologies. I do stand by the other claims I was making in that video about the reasons for bleaching and so forth. But yeah, that's just my thoughts, and have a good day.